The OptiPlex 7070 Ultra is a first-of-its-kind modular desktop solution, a completely new, innovative form factor in the smallest size. Desktop users enjoy the beauty and space-saving design of an all-in-one, but want the flexibility to manage displays separately. The Ultra is the answer to a customer-inspired need for a desktop that is neat and compact, but does not compromise on flexibility and performance. Hiding the PC inside a monitor stand creates a zero-footprint design. By streamlining the internal layout and packaging parts vertically, it dramatically reduces the overall computer size. Utilizing Intel's 8th Gen mobile processors, running at 25 watts, provides full performance without compromise. Ultra provides the ultimate in flexibility for displays and accessories with no vendor lock-in. Run applications on more than one screen with built-in support for up to 3 monitors. It can support a VESA-compatible monitor of your choice, up to 38 inches, with the offset VESA mount. Refresh on your terms. Toolless assembly allows for quick access to OptiPlex 7070 Ultra solution elements, keeping deployment of PCs and service simple. The Ultra has a modular and upgradable design, so when it's time to refresh, there's no need to buy a completely new desktop. Easily swap out the display, the PC module, memory, and other components on your own terms. Dell recommends the Ultra PC module matched with a Dell USB-C monitor, the height-adjustable stand, and a short USB-C cable to connect the monitor to the PC. With USB-C, you can transmit power, data, video, and audio with a single cable, leaving fewer cords for you to manage. And with so many different configurations, the OptiPlex 7070 Ultra adapts to any workspace. Elevate your customer experiences when using the Ultra PC with a Dell monitor arm, the offset VESA mount, and a touch display for an interactive solution. Get the perfect blend of power, function, and design with the OptiPlex 7070 Ultra, the world's most flexible commercial desktop solution.
The PN40 is the latest generation of ultra-compact, silent mini PCs from Asus. It's perfect for businesses and consumers who need a mini PC they can customize to their needs. The fanless design means that this mini PC is whisper quiet. It measures 4.5 inches square by 1.9 inches tall and weighs in at only 1.5 pounds. This PC's small size makes it ideal for keeping a tidy workstation or for mounting to the rear of a monitor. But don't mistake its small size for a lack of processing power or utility. This PC is equipped with an 8th generation Intel Celeron processor, 4K-ready Intel UHD Graphics 600, supports up to 8 GB of DDR4 memory, and your choice of M.2 or 2.5-inch SSD storage. There's also full connectivity with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, gigabit LAN, and Bluetooth. For the more demanding user, this mini PC can be easily customized to the configuration you need. The side panel slides out, revealing space for an M.2, 2.5-inch SSD, as well as RAM, which can be installed or swapped out later. This mini PC is capable of outputting up to 4K resolution on multiple displays through HDMI, mini DisplayPort, and VGA. On the front, you'll find a single USB 2.0 port and dual USB 3.1 ports with one Type-C connection, and an audio jack. On the back panel, there's an HDMI port, mini DisplayPort, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, a single LAN port, a DC power plug-in, and one VGA port with COM port options available. The VGA and COM port options allow you to run the legacy devices that drive your business, such as scanners, printers, and digital signage. The PN40 is a blank canvas that you can customize to suit your needs, whether it be for business, the classroom, or everyday home usage.
The Cubi 5 is a tiny desktop that fits on the palm of your hand. It's perfect for office and other professional settings. It even takes care of general home entertainment. The Cubi 5 can even be mounted to a monitor, making it a real space saver. The MP221 is a perfect choice for this with its VESA mount support. And with the support for extended power switch, there's no need to reach behind the monitor. Despite its tiny size, the Cubi 5 still delivers top performance powered by Intel's 10th generation Core i7 processor. This means excellent processing power and a smooth desktop experience. MSI always strives for easy upgradability. On the Cubi 5, the SSD and memory modules are seamlessly accessed through the bottom for upgrading. It's that simple. The Cubi 5 is exceptionally silent. Even under full load, it will still be the perfect choice for even libraries. This tiny desktop is rich in I/O ports. It also supports dual monitors with its HDMI and DisplayPort connections, letting you multitask even more efficiently. For more information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.